friends, good morning, welcome back. This is Sierra and today is a really big day for me, or it feels like a big day. Today's an exciting day for me because today once again is that time of the month. I'm going to unbox my Lush Kitchen Subscription box because it's awesome and I have been, no joke, dying, well, not literally dying, but I have been very excited to open this box for about a week now. The reason I wasn't able to unbox this box the day it was delivered is because, as you guys who follow me on Instagram already know, our family has been on holiday in the south of England for the past week and a couple of days, so I wasn't able to get that done. The other reason I wasn't able to get this up is because there was a little shipping delay in Royal Mail, which made me really sad, so the box was able to be delivered before we left. So I had my amazing neighbor who, if you are watching, hi, thank you so much for helping me out, grab the box for me and keep it in his house for a few days. Unfortunately, it was raining the day that it was delivered, so the box was a little bit soggy when he picked it up. It's dry now, but I'm a little bit concerned about the contents of the package, so we're gonna see what happens. Anyways, if you guys are new to my channel, my name is Sierra and I'm American living in England. Just in case you didn't catch that by the accent, every week I make a video about my family's life in England and the shenanigans either I get up to or we as a family get up to on the weekly. As you guys probably already guessed, we obviously make videos about England and Lush, but we also have a few videos on our channel about adoption and life in Japan because we used to live there. So if any of those things are interesting to you, please make sure to check all those out after you're done watching this video. Now that all the official stuff is done with, let's get into unboxing this Lush Kitchen Halloween box for 2021. I am so excited. I can smell it already and it smells really good. It also smells weirdly of the packing peanuts that are inside, so that makes me even more concerned about this box. But I will put what the choices for this month's box were up on the screen right here, and you guys can see what they are. And if I can find what I voted for, I'll also put that on the screen. I don't know if I took a screenshot of that or not. Then you can compare what items were offered versus what I voted for versus what's actually in the box. Let's get into this box because I can't wait anymore. Ooh, the packing peanuts are very low in the box, so that is not a good sign. Okay, I have my little pamphlet of what's in here, so I'm gonna look at that as we go and tell you guys what's in all the products if I don't already know, and we're gonna get started. Ooh, the first item is a little present. The box is so cute. It doesn't smell, and actually the box doesn't look that bad. Hopefully that means my products are in good condition, but you guys see how much of the packing peanut is just missing, so oh dear. Okay, anyway, let's get back to this little adorable box. It's super cute. I don't know what's in here, so let's open it together and we're gonna find out what it is. It's wrapped up. Okay, that does not help us. Ooh, what is this? Oh, interesting. It's a multi-perfume box set, but it only has one perfume in it, so let's see what it is. Can't get it out. What is it? Let's see. Ooh, it is Tramp perfume. Interesting. I think I've actually tried Tramp perfume before. I don't own it, but I feel like I smelled it before, but let's just give it a little sniff. The main ingredients are patchouli oil, oak moss, and that's it. So let's see what it smells like. Ooh, definitely smells very patchouli. I kind of want to spray it, but I'm worried that if I spray it, the entire room will smell like patchouli and it's going to throw off the scents of these items. So maybe I'll just hang on to it for now, but that's cool. I have tried a couple of things that smell like Tramp, but I've never actually tried the Tramp perfume, so that'll be pretty interesting to try out. Okay, that's cute. I think the little box is super adorable. I can use this kind of as like a little gift. Okay, now let's move on to the next item. Oh, it looks a little soggy. Maybe it's supposed to look like this. If you guys also got a kitchen box, let me know in the comment section. This is what it's supposed to look like, but it is a bath bomb. It looks like this, and I honestly have no clue what it is, but let's give it a sniff. Ooh, that smells really sweet. I wonder what's in it and what it's called. Let's see. It is called the Enchanter. Ooh. Okay, it is scented with lime oil, frankincense oil, and neroli oil. Oh, I knew that's why it smelled really good. I love frankincense and lime and neroli, so oh my gosh, this is incredible. Would you guys be offended if I stopped filming right now and just took a bath? Because I want to. Now let's try and check out the next item. Is a black pot product. Okay, I'm not gonna look at the packaging, but I know that Lord of Misrule body lotion was one of the choices for the voting, so I hope that's what this is. Is that what it is? Lord of Misrule body lotion. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Okay, this is like an iconic moment. I honestly don't know if they've ever made Lord of Misrule body lotion before. I hope it's green. I hope it's green. Let it be green. Let it be green. It is green. It's perfect. It's not quite the same color as the shower gel is, which is probably a good thing because you don't want it to be green. Oh yeah, it smells so good. It's not quite as strong though as the shower gel or the scrub that I got a couple of months ago. The ingredients in this one is patchouli infusion, almond oil, cocoa butter, jojoba oil, wheat germ oil, black pepper oil, Sumatran patchouli, and vanilla. So it is a little bit different. I don't know if it usually has vanilla in it, but still smells really nice. So I will be definitely smelling like this from now and when the lotion runs out, because this is one of my favorite scents from Lush of all time. Okay, and then I don't know how many more products are in here. I have 3 so far, and I see at least 2 more in here. So no, there's not 2 more. There's 3 more in here. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Is there more than 3 more? No. Okay, all right, it's fine. Okay, next thing I'm going to show you is, ooh, it looks like, I don't know what this is. It kind of looks like the mouse that was in the advent calendar. It looks like this, and I've never seen this one before. So this should be interesting. Ooh. That's kind of nice. I don't know if I've ever smelled this before. Okay, let's see what it is called. I have no idea. It's not on here. Oh, there it goes. It is called Tweet Bubble Bar. I thought that Tweet Bubble Bar used to be yellow. Is that correct? Maybe not, but the picture on here shows it in green and black. So maybe they just changed the color to make it like more Halloween-like. I don't know. It's just a color pigment anyway. It doesn't affect the scent, but it is scented with, let's see, tangerine oil, and only tangerine oil. So yeah, it just smells like an orange. It's very cute. I don't feel like it looks like Tweet did back in the day. Those of you who've been around for longer, please let me know in the comment section if you think the Tweet looks like Tweet, like the original Tweet Bubble Bar, because I don't think that it does. Now, let's move on to the next item in the box. I'm going to show it to you really quickly. I'm going to put it down. It is the Wicked Bath Melt, and it is melting all over my fingers. So I'm going to put it down and then I'll tell you what it's made of, but ooh, it smells pretty good. I don't know what it smells of though. I'm going to pick it up really quickly. I think it's violets, but I could be wrong, so let's consult the packaging. It is, let's see, ginger oil and jasmine and oak moss. Huh, why do I feel like I smell violets? I wonder if it's the like floraliness with the oak moss together. To me, kind of smells like violets, but that's interesting. And it is a bath melt, it's not a soap. So use it just like you would use any other bath product, except it melts slowly into your bath. So what I like to do is I like to start my tub and fill it about, I would say 2 or 3 inches of water that's really, really hot. So I put like almost boiling water. Well, not boiling water, but I turn my tub temperature as high as it can go for the first few inches of water. And then I like to put my little bath melt in there so that it melts really well. And then fill the rest of it with like tepid water so it kind of evens out. That's what works for me. I don't know if it'll work for everyone. And you might not like your water that hot, but I like my bath water really hot. So yeah. Okay. And then the last and final product in the box is exciting. And as I suspected, I did not buy the shower slime that came out this year because it is the same scent, and it is the Ectoplasm shower gel. Oh, and I'm dropping it everywhere. Okay. Oh, wait, no, it's not shower gel. It's shower cream. The difference between a shower gel and a shower cream, I think, is that the shower creams are a little bit thicker and slightly more moisturizing in my opinion. So let's take off the top and smell it. Oh, it smells so good. And I really like the yellow color. It's very bright and happy. So yeah, if you did not get a kitchen box this month, or if you haven't signed up yet and you want to get almost the same thing, you could get the Ectoplasm shower slime that came out for Halloween. Tried it the other day in the Lush Oxford Street store, which I am making a video about Lush Oxford Street, actually 2 videos. I'm going to put them up in the cards and also down in the description if you want to see those. Anyways, yeah, that is the end of my little unboxing. My favorite product in the box this month is a given. It is the Lord of Misrule body lotion because it is one of my favorite scents, and to me it just screams autumn. And my least favorite is probably the bath melt only because of the fact that I don't really like bath melts. Well, it's not that I don't like bath melts. Bath melts have never been something that I would rush out to buy, and I think I actually only have one in my Lush collection right now that I've been saving for quite a while, so I'm sure I will use it. It just might take me a while to use it. But anyways, that is the end of my little unboxing. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Let me know which product is your favorite and least favorite down in my comment section, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe to my channel before you leave, and I'll see you later. Bye.